Hi, my name is Christina, and this is my presentation on Chapter 1, Set Phasers to Stun. This chapter is about a piece of medical equipment that malfunctioned. The machine released an extremely high beam of radiation. The technician, without realizing what happened, tried again, and then did this twice before the patient was able to get off the table. This resulted in 3 beams of intense radiation being delivered to the patient. The beams resulted in intense injury, which later led to death. This instance was preventable. The machine, first off, should have been tested for this kind of error. It's not crazy to think that the technician would accidentally enter the wrong code and then go back and fix it. The communication between the tech and the patient was completely non-existent, and it was really strange that that was a thing. They should have at least been able to communicate. It was also strange that there was no window so that the tech could watch the patient. At the very least, the technician should have checked on the patient again before trying to deliver the beam again. That would have completely prevented everything from happening, but unfortunately it did not. As for the aftermath, the industry released multiple papers and articles about the machine and the events that occurred. I didn't get super into it, but I'm sure that policy changes and training changes resulted for the technician and the equipment. Also, the technician had to live with her error, which is really, really unfortunate. I'm also curious, but did not get into whether or not the makers of the machine or the hospital got sued, but I'm sure nowadays that's what would have resulted. Thank you.